What's up, guys? I am now the proud subscriber of the Combat Patrol magazine. Let's go take a look at the most recent issue, unbox it, assemble it. Let's check it out. Alright, this issue we have our, looks like 6 dice, 2 bases. We have our sprue with our winged tyrant and our Captain and Terminator armor, and then we have our inside our magazine. We have the building instructions, we have lore, we have rules, we got all kinds of crazy stuff inside this bad boy. And now you can see all the combat patrols you're going to get and the paints. We catch the paints. Then we have another, this is a poster. There's what you're going to get with your premium subscription. Now, look at all this. A ballistus, a demon prince, killer cans. We got a Rogel Dorn. There's your free gifts you're going to get. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of stuff in this this combat patrol. There we go. There is the paints and the combat patrols again, plus some extras. Don't know if you guys noticed that there's extras in there. All right. And last but not least, we get a playmat.